doing? Ah.
Mommy, lots of customers have my gumball machine.
Wow. What is that? Gumball machine?
Yes, that's a juice machine and gumball machine.
Okay. Can you give me juice?
Alright.
What's the flavor of the juice?
It's strawberry.
Strawberry. Okay.
Do you have potato flavor?
Daddy. No. Daddy.
I want some potato flavor.
Today's 2023, so you create and
Potato. Here you go.
How much?
$3.
$3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much.
Where did you see it?
Mwah.
Yeah.
It's so yummy.
How about this?
Mm.
You like some gumball? What did you flavor you like?
I like the
Potato or the strawberry?
I like the strawberry one.
Alright. I'm in Raida.
Okay.
Russia.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
Ukraine.
Super duper yummy. Super duper yummy.
It's already 2023.
How much is my bill?
You like
Let me search it.
I will pay. How much?
$3.
$3 again. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. What?
You like potato?
Yes, I like potato. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna wait. I like it crispy potato.
Crispy potato.
Yes.
I built the crispy potato.
Okay.
Where is this one? One potato. You like potato?
Yeah.
Alright, come in right up.
You remember Daddy's a werewolf?
His eyes and
You're not a werewolf. Are you fake?
you like gumball?
Yes.
I mean, are you fake daddy?
Yeah.
I mean, are you a fake daddy?
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
Are you a fake daddy?
Yes, I'm
Super duper yummy, Riley. Thank you for giving me a very
Daddy.
yummy food.
Hey, Daddy, stop.
Riley, here's your cup.
Who's gonna scratch my back? Hala,